Are you looking for an effective solution for roof waterproofing? We present Rollgum Stick, a self-adhesive EPDM membrane of high quality, offering exceptional durability, great elasticity and flexibility, with easy and fast installation. Thanks to its self-adhesive layer, it saves installation and drying times, as well as material waste compared to traditional adhesives. Rollgum Stick provides excellent adhesion on all types of surfaces, such as roofs finished with bituminous membranes as shown in this video, as well as roofs with PIR thermal insulation, pavement, metal sheets, sandwich panels, wood or other construction materials, both for new job or rehabilitation. It is presented in convenient rolls of 1.5 meters wide by 10 meters long, which allows you to take the material to any roof by elevator or stairs, and easy handling on site with a single operator. This is especially important in rehabilitations, where in addition, Rollgum Stick will help from having to remove and transport debris due to its ability to install it on the existing roof. With Rollgum Stick, you will enjoy lasting and effective waterproofing thanks to its resistance to aging, extreme weather conditions, and exposure to UV rays. This will help you reduce long-term costs by avoiding costly repairs and replacements. For more information, visit our website.